Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain about the operators. So operator, it is in C language. First introduction, an operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform specific mathematical or logical calculation on operand variable. So an operator, it is a symbol, okay? It is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform specific, that is the mathematical logical calculation. So it will say that, okay? So in this operator we have the types of operators also, but if you want, if you think it is not enough introduction, then you can just add this lines too to expand your answer, as this is a very long answer, so you don't need to expand. But if you have time in exam, that is extra time in exam, so you can write it, that is only two or three line things, only in two lines you will get that, okay? Because I have write in very small space, that's why it is looking like that. C language is rich in built-in operator and provides following types of operands, okay? Only this line you have to add. Next types of operators: arithmetic, relational, logical, bitwise, assignment, conditional, unary operator, increment and decrement. How you can butify this much means, you can just follow my formula or method. So it is what I just did means ARL and BACU, I just wrote this, okay? So Basu, you can remember it as a person name, okay? And ARL, you just need to butify ARL. So or you can remember ARL as a Arial, if you know that it's a suffix, not suffix it's a surf name actually, yes, surf name. So Arial, it was a Arial, but I wrote ARL and Basu. That why I am saying that means for their explanation purpose, so that you can just butify that and you don't need to just butify all the things like this only and all. See, ARL and BACU. ARL, arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, BASU, bitwise operator, assignment operator, conditional operator, unary operator. In that we have increment and decrement. Alright. See, I will just explain this in very detailed. So arithmetic operators are used for mathematical operation, okay? So here also the compiler tells the compiler to perform specific mathematical calculation, logical calculations, and here also use the mathematical operations. All right, just similar one only. So suppose we have int x equals to 5 and y equals to 2. So just we have to think like that, okay? It is a thing on that, on based of this we have to just draw a box and we have to perform a single single task, you can say. Operator, we have, it is very simple, just write plus, minus, multiply symbol, division symbol, symbol and modulus symbol, and just write the name of that, okay? And return the addition of left and right operands. Left and right operands means what? This is the left operand, this is the right operand. So as it is a plus symbol, so we have to do the addition, okay? Return the addition of left and right operands. For 5 plus 2 equals to 7. So we have to write x plus y, that is 5 and 2, because x value is 5 and y value is 2, will return 7, okay? Then minus return the difference between right and left operand. So 5 minus 2, that will be 3, okay? And as like that only we have, it is a very simple mathematical things that you need to perform here, and you can see how I did, okay? So in multiply also 5 2s are 10, and in this is important, division 5 divided by 2, it will be written 2. So both are integer does not support decimal, just write these things, okay? If you are taking any other things in exam, or maybe you will get confused in this line, so my better suggestion for you to take this only particular like example for your box, for your explanation I am saying it. If you want to take any other number, if you are getting the answer, so it is good, you can use. But if you don't want to just revise on any other thing, just do what I said. Okay. Then modulus x percentile y will return 1. Okay. Then we have next, I have this program as well. Include stdio, include conio dot h here, int main, integer main, that is int x plus x equals to 5, y equals to result. Okay, result of what? X plus y. Printf addition minus addition, we have to write this here. In everything we have to just take that. Okay. Then write result is colon percentile d and slash n double quotation and result. Okay, like this only I have wrote addition here. Write the same thing, just change this subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, how we have done with this same question, just did the different types of function with that. Okay, like that only you have to do. And last, addition answer is 7. This is 5 minus 2, that was right now 3. Then 5 2s are 10. That division we have did, I already told that integer that is not support the decimal, that only 2, and the modulus division 1. Then we have relational operator I use for checking condition, whether the condition is true or false. If the condition is true, will return non-zero value. If the condition is false, will return 0. Suppose we have integer x equals to y 5 and y equals to 2. So in this also we have take the same thing. So relational operator means checking the condition, if it is true, false, and yeah, 0 value and non-zero value, we are checking that. So here also we have to take the same question and just do the operation here. So in relational, what we will get? Greater than, smaller than, greater equals to, smaller equals to, and non equals to. Just write the names of this and remember this. You need to remember this. And while I am talking about the program, you can just simply write the first one program, because it is very simple, because other one are hard that you can't write. So you can write this, so expand your answer. It is probably given to you for the long answer types. So you can write this introduction, arithmetic, and draw a box and write the program and relational operator. Just write this introduction and this box. Don't write the full program. Okay. So in this also same thing we have did. Greater than, x is greater 5 is greater than 2, or small, if the condition is true, write true. If it is false, write false. Okay, like this only we have to do. You can take a screenshot from this, or you can write it in the paper with a pencil, or you can just understand while writing. So after that we have the logical operator. Logical operator are used when we have more than one condition in a single if statement. Suppose we have integer. In this we have just increased one word, that is z equals to 7, and both are similar to the last two what we have did. So in logical operator we have and percentile, or not. Okay, it was there in the first semester as well. So just see, operator name, description, return true if all condition are true. So in and percentile, if what we will do, if all the things are same, all the things are like return true, if all the conditions are true, then we will write true there. But if any of the condition is false, then we will write false here. Like for example, okay, 5 2 and 7, three words, three numbers we have taken. So we can see that they are not same. Okay, they are not same because 5 is 7 is greater, 5 is the second one, the 2 is the smallest number here, so it is a false. Okay, if any of this statement is wrong, then it will say wrong, it will say false. All right, false. Then or, in or means what it is asking, if it is asking that all conditions are true, or it is using or. So what is the meaning of or means it is giving the giving us the options, like if this A is not correct, just see B. If it is correct, write this. Means in n percentile, what it is saying, A and B both are true, then say true. But if they both are not same, then write false. But here, if A or B in both, if any of the person is true, then write true. If both are false, then we will write false. Okay, we have options in or percentile. In not means, not is written true condition, if false, written false. In not means it will write the opposite things. If it is true, then it will write false. If it is false, it will write true. Okay, you can take the screenshot of this also. Okay, so just don't write the program in this also, and just go through assignment. Okay, assignment operator used to copy value from right to left variable. Suppose we have float x equals to 5 and y equals to 2. Okay, so copy the value from the right to left variables used. It is assignment operator used for that. Okay, so in this what we have, in first first arithmetic we have taken plus, minus, multiply, division, modulus, division symbol, na? Same take that, just in first one write only equals to. In others things, just add plus equals to, minus equals to, multiply equals to, division equals to, and modulus equals to, and write the name of that. Same description, copy value from the left to right, right to left, x equals to y. Now both x and y have 2. Okay, and plus equals to, plus equals equal to operator will return the addition of right operand to left. Because it is a plus symbol is given, so it is a we have to add this, that you know, right? So how you have to write, x plus equals to y is similar to x equals to x plus y. X plus y we have taken because here it is plus equals to, na? So just write the plus symbol here. And xy we have taken because it is a question we have taken, na? So x plus equals to y, we have to add this 2 as we have did in the arithmetic. So similar to, in that what we have did, we have write the 7 as it is. Okay, but what we have to do in this means, we have to write x equals to x plus y, means x value is now 7. Okay, like this you have to write. In other also you have to do the same things. All right, this also you can take the screenshot. Just buttify this, don't buttify this, just understand the tables, then you can just simply expand your answer and it will look so good. And next we have conditional. The conditional operator is also known as ternary operator. It is called ternary operator because it takes 3 arguments. Okay, ternary means 3 operators it is taking. First is condition, second and third value. Third is value, second and third one is the value, first is the condition. The condition operator checks the condition. If condition is true, it will return second value. If condition is false, it will return the third value. Okay, so like we have 3 condition, condition 1, condition 2, condition 3, aisa. Okay, so we have the 3 condition. If first condition is true, with the first condition, yeah, if the condition is true, then it will go to second condition. If second condition is true, it will goes to third. Okay, but if it any of the condition is false, then it will terminate, that is it will end. So simple syntax is there, it don't have any box. If you want to write this operation here, with this you can write as I have already show you in this video. So syntax value, that is val equals to condition question mark value 1 value 2, because two values should be there now. First is the condition, first and second and third will be value. All right, and program, I don't think it is necessary, so I am not explaining that to you, because in other answers you can write this. If you are writing and this much operations, so you will definitely get confused, that's why I am not doing. Is this special is not there, then you can simply go to bitwise, I guess. Yes, bitwise. So bitwise operator works on the bits and perform bit by bit operation. The true table for and or and are operators. All right, are as follows, and as follows. PQ. So we have PQ. So for that we have to check and or not. I have already explained you just now about the and or not yeah, here it is in logical. So I have already told that if both are true only we have to write true or false. In this we are getting the conditions, no, we have getting the options. In this we have to write the opposite one, like this only. Just verify this 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0. See, according to and 0 0 both are 0. Okay, so answer will be 0. But in P and Q, like any of the thing is other like different, then we will write that. But both are 0, then we will write 0 in this also. But if in not also, we have to write 0 here, and 0 1 0, because it is one things is there, so we will write 1 here also. 1 1 1, answer is 1. Okay, so what will happen in and means, if both are same, just write the same thing here. Okay, in this also we have got the that is 0, and this is also we got 1. Okay, P and Q we got 1 because both are 1. And in this I have already told you, if true is if the answer is true, we have to write false. If the answer is false, we have to write true. Why? Because it gives the opposite answer. So in this also both are 1, but we will write 0 here. Okay, in this you will get the question that okay, both was 0, but why we have write 0, means you will get the 0 for 0 only. Okay, you will not get 1 for 0. Okay, so it is very simple. 1 0 0 1 1. All right, if you want if you don't understand this bitwise, because it is little bit confusing ma. If you want to understand it in very detailedly, just search in Google for the simple table for this. If it is provided, then you can just write that. My better suggestion for you to just write the all the boxes what I have shown you, and just practice that. Okay, so if you practice that for once, then you will definitely get that. Okay, and you don't need to buttify that much for this, because it is very simple. In half an hour you will get this. Okay, if you want this also you can, but I in my examination I didn't wrote that. Okay, because it's already that it lengthy answer, no. And next we have increment and decrement. Increment and decrement I will show you very simply. Okay, increment and decrement, that was the unary operator, are those operators that work with the single operand, such as increment and decrement, or decrement operators. The increment operator plus adds 1 and its operands, and decrement operator subtracts 1 from its operands. Okay, so if the number is given, if increment means, by the word only you can see that increment means increase, decrement means decrease. So if the increment symbol is there, means you have to plus 1. If the decrement is there, you have to minus 1. That only in book it has given like that, but I will show you very easy form to write this. Okay, sorry. So increment by 1, a equals to 10, arrow mark, 10 plus 1 equals to 11. Because it is the increment, we have to add 1. So write the formula, plus plus a equals to 11. Okay, plus plus a pre-increment and minus minus a pre-decrement. Okay, write this. And decrement value by 1, a equals to 10 and arrow mark 10 minus 1. Because it is a decrement, we have to minus 1. 10 minus 1, 9. Same like this only, we have write the plus plus a equals to 11. Here we have to write minus minus a equals to 9. Okay, because we have just subtract 1 from the 10. So here, like here we have write plus plus a plus plus, minus minus a minus minus, pre-increment pre-decrement, post-increment post-decrement. It is very simple. At where I have saw this in means, I have saw this in ChatGPT. From there I just wrote this, and first time when I wrote, I just, while writing this, I got the answer. So it is very simple, ma. If you understand it, you can very well you can write it. Okay, so it is for the 8 marks or 12 marks, I guess. It is for the long answer. Okay, it is for the long answer. You can definitely get this question in your exam. So you just write very well and just use the method of mine also. So you can just verify this or types of operators in very easy way. Okay, and if possible, just add this line also. Okay, and use this symbol. So if you want any other answer explanation, not only about the C and C++ operators, you can ask me for the B Law, English, Hindi, or accountancy, any other. If you want, just comment down and I will definitely check those, and I will just make a video and try to explain you guys. If you don't understand anything in this explanation what I have did, you can simply ask me in not 24 hours, in maybe 5 or 6 hours I will try to answer you. Okay, so please like my video and subscribe to my channel, as I am a new creator. So please support me and just like my video. Okay, thank you so much.